Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Anita here. Today I'm going to be applying some decals for you. These are water decals and they're going to go onto my nails for a black and white adults coloring book design. Now you see that I have a cotton round there. I'm just going to saturate that with water, and that's one of the ways that you can have the decal release from the backing. So I soaked it with water, and I'm just going to use that and cut out the decal and just put it on there, and that way I don't have to dunk it in water and then remove a little bit, but I'll show you that later. Forgive my voice, I'm still sick. I don't know what I have. It's some kind of viral something. I have no clue. It just will not go away. So I'm sorry if I sound a little nasally. I'm trying to get better. I really am, but it just doesn't want to let me go. So once you get your design cut out, whichever one that you want to use, you're just going to take that and place it on the cotton round and let it absorb or let it get wet with the water that's in that round, and then that will release the decal off of the backing, and then you can position that on your nail. Now this design is a collab that I do for Instagram, and it's adults coloring book nails, and the rules are you are supposed to color the design inside the design, not outside. So I totally did not follow the rules on this one. I didn't post this. They were kind enough to put it in the collage, but I totally did not follow the rules. So what you see I'm trying to do here is put the decal on the stamper, and then the stamper is going to go on my nail. You just position that where you want it and press down, and then it comes right off, and it's really cute, except it's hard to see. So I took it off. I always top coat my color, my base color, before I put the stamping on, and usually if I have to remove the stamping, it comes off pretty easily where I don't lose a lot of my base color. That wasn't the case here because it's black on white, so you really have to get all of the color off. So I went all the way down to my base coat. I use a ridge filling base coat if I'm not using the peel off, and that has a bit of color to it itself. So I did go down to the base coat. I didn't have to take everything off completely, but as you see, I'm reapplying my polish. This is a one coater, and usually when I'm stamping, I only put one coat of polish on. So you're going to just reapply your color, and don't forget the edge. You want to cap that edge with color as well. So as I was saying, the rules for this collab are to color inside the design. So I totally didn't do that, as you'll see. But it's a cute mani, and I thought it was cute. So I just wanted to share it with you and show you how to put the decals on. And then, show you how to polish your nails as well. Because a lot of times things don't go as planned. So if you need to take it off, take it off. Just put it on again and start all over. It's just nail polish, right? It's just nail polish. So I'm using my wood stick there just to clean around the cuticle, around the finger. Don't want any polish on my finger, on the cuticle. And once that's dry, again, here I go with my top coat. You're going to apply, I use a fast drying top coat. And I'm not going to stamp on this one, but I am going to use a little contrasting color at the tips of the nails. So once you have your top coat on, make sure that it's completely dry before you move on to the next step. The next step is nail vinyls. So what I'm going to do is just take a few vinyls and put them across my nails. And the idea is to make a design that kind of looks like a fence. You'll see. So you're just going to peel those off and position them on. Stick them down very well. That's the secret with nail vinyls, is that they have to be perfectly flat against the nail so that the color that you put on top doesn't bleed underneath. They are kind of long, so I'm going to cut them in half, and that way I'll get more use out of them. Again, just place that on where you want it. See, it wants to stick to my tweezers instead of my finger. So however you can get them on and press them down flat. I'm going to reposition this one and just cut it in half. That way it'll, like I said, I'll have some more. I'll have all of these products that I'm using listed as usual in the description box below for you guys. Once you get them all on and have them nice and flat, then we're going to continue on to our contrasting color. Since it is black and white, I'm going to use black. And as I said, I'm trying to make like little fence designs. So what you do is you put your polish on, and then while it's still wet, carefully peel off your vinyl. And you'll see it gives you that little bit of a fence effect. And that's exactly what I was looking for. So on to the next one. And again, if that vinyl is down good, you don't have to worry about getting any bleeding underneath. You just want to make sure to stay within the vinyl. You don't want to go outside. That would upset you. So this collab is one that I really enjoy doing because I love coloring. I guess it's a part of the art thing. I just love it. So when I saw that one, I said, ooh, this really looks interesting. And you put your design, and usually it's a negative design. That means that it has space inside that you can color, and then you fill it in and color it in. As I said, I did not follow the rules, but there's no rules. There's no rules on my channel, so anything goes. I thought it was adorable. But anyway, now we're going to take our our water decal again, and soak it so that it comes right off and it releases really easily. And then you just position it on your nail wherever you want it. And I had to hold it down with my thumb because it didn't want to let go of the tweezers. And there you go. How cute. So cute. These are so cute. I love these water decals. I got these from Beauty Big Bang. I think they were a part of the review that I did for Beauty Big Bang. And if you didn't get to see that video, I'll put a card up for it. You can click on it and see all the cool things I got from Beauty Big Bang. This one I tried to get like he was perching on the fence, actually. And again, doesn't want to let go of the tweezer, so just use your finger and place it down, smooth it out, and you can get it really flat. And then once you have them where you want them, you top coat. Oh, this is the other method. Now this is just a dollar store bowl that I have here. And you just plunge your decal in. It goes to the bottom, let it soak for a while, maybe not even a minute, maybe 30 seconds. You take it out, kind of blot it off a little bit. And then the decal just releases. It comes right off. This is my first time with water decals. I'd never used them before. They're really, really easy to use. There are some beautiful designs. And if you're in a hurry, you can just put on a base coat and then put the decal on top coat it, and you're done. It really makes for a quick and beautiful mani. These are just adorable. I love cats so much. My husband got me a mug for Christmas that says Crazy Cat Lady. And I'm the only crazy cat lady I know that does not have any cats. We've had tons of cats in the past, but no cats presently, but that may change soon. I hope. I love them. Anyway, these are so cute. I love the way it came out. Now you're just going to top coat, and again, I'm using a fast drying top coat. And at the end, I'll have some pictures to show you the way that I colored it outside the lines, not following the rules. But this is it. Done. Easy peasy. It's so cute. I love black and white manis. This one was one of my favorites. So I am so glad that you guys were able to join me. Forgive me again for my voice. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time.